What if the gaming industry could learn faster than it changes? 10 years ago, it was classrooms and handbooks. Today, it's AI, digital identity, and a talent ecosystem. And we're the ones building it. Hello, my name's Tony Keller, and I'm Head of Projects here at the Longford International College and the CEO of the Casino Factory. Together, we are transforming how the gaming industry develops and recruits people, turning a once major expense into a scalable investment. The industry is at tipping point. Rapid change, rising regulation, and new technologies mean that staying informed isn't optional, it's survival. Yet learning and recruitment remain fragmented, costly and reactive. That's why the Longford International College has partnered with the Casino Factory to pioneer the world's first AI gaming university. A fully accredited ecosystem that's built on a secure digital identity technology. Led by Professor Dr. Vincent English, a PhD in business and a doctorate in AI development from the University of Cambridge, whose work brings together an academic team of AI innovation with a real-time educational strategy, offering executive MBAs, specialized courses in compliance, responsible gaming, gaming technology, and AI innovation, all delivered in an inclusive, multilingual environment. At its core lies the Recruitment Village, an AI-driven hub where digital avatars connect verified talent with opportunity, making recruitment faster, fairer, and more transparent. This is more than innovation. This is a scalable business model where education, recruitment, and compliance converge to create real commercial value, turning what used to be a cost center into a profit-driven asset. We're not predicting the future of gaming education. Together, we're building it. Thank you.